Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and an interesting change that's coming up to Windows Update. And it is rolling out right now in the insider rings. Will be rolling out to everybody in the next weeks or months. And it's a more intelligent, we'll call it like that, Windows Update. It's a Windows Update that first of all, what's the first thing that a lot of people have mentioned about Windows Update is how annoying it could be by just, introducing itself right in the middle of something you're doing and saying, hey, we're updating your system now. And it's like, okay, that was not planned. This is not going to happen in the future with Windows updates. Microsoft has decided to do a few changes. So when you have updates, you have different types of updates that come through your system. And you can see it in the update history. You'll have the main updates, and you will have also in there some driver updates that you can have on your system that can happen. Other types of updates that have other related sources. Some of these updates are often will ask for you to restart your PC. Driver updates, particularly, are pretty good at this. It's like, okay, I'm going to install the new, Wi-Fi driver, but I will ask to restart now. So Microsoft has also changed that. What it's doing is that the required restart for updates will now happen only once a month. It will happen on the Patch Tuesday updates. So that means if other updates are going through within the next weeks before we get to Patch Tuesday, they'll install, but they'll not ask you to restart for now. They'll just wait, and the restart, which will actually enable all of the rest of the updates, will all happen at the same time. And that means only once a month on Patch Tuesday will there be a requirement to restart your PC. So this is also some change coming up to Windows Update. The reliability of Windows updates also will be much improved. They are working on what is Project K2, which is, of course, going to make Windows updates more reliable. And the information, once again, we talked about that in one of the videos. When you get to Windows updates and you're asking for a Windows update, what happens is that update, when it installs, will give you, when a restart required, a time frame. It was going to say, well, this is going to take 6 minutes. This will be more accurate than it was before. And also, while it's updating, the percentage of the update. So when you see that it's like 5% done, 10% done, and so on, will follow more accurately the reality of where it is in the install process. Once again, kind of help out and make sure people don't restart right smack in the middle of an update because they think that maybe it's stuck. So all of this is coming up within the next few weeks and months as we will get the a more interesting Windows Update experience, and hopefully a better update experience where it's going to be more reliable also on the install phase. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.